Hello mga ka-Zyron, mayroon akong nalaman tungkol sa Mobile Legends at ito po ay mawawala po ito sa July 20, 2024.
Hi everyone, announcement, Mobile Legends. Bang Bang officially deleted on Play Store this coming July 20th, 2024. Because of many players and streamers, pro players have switched to HOK Honor of King.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Huwag naman sana tayo mapunta sa ganitong bagay Munton, pero alam ko fake lang ito. Paano ko nasabi? Ito po yung patunay na hindi pa nakakalamang ang Honor of King sa Mobile Legends dahil ang HOK ay 10 million plus lang ngunit yung Mobile Legends ay 500 million plus ang naka-install. Sigurado po akong member ng HOK ang gumawa ng fake news na yan. Anyway, shoutout po sa palaging nanonood ng videos ko. At special shoutout din po sa mga palaging nag-comment ng videos ko. Maraming salamat po JR Montes Arnaldo, Trixie May Lacson, Bernie Lomatilio. Sa mga gustong special shoutout, mag-comment lang po sa baba ng video at huwag pong kalimutan like at follow. Nasa YouTube na rin po tayo mga idol. Paki-subscribe Zyron Official.
I think it's time to fight back. No, they won't like that.
Zyron Official, I'm asking for your help, if possible. Follow my page, react to my videos and share. If I get up, I will not forget you. I promise you that I will return it to you.
Zyron Official.
One shot, one kill.